Alright guys, while I'm waiting on this bridge to come back down so we can get in this video, I'm going to go to Harbor Freight and pick up some tools that we need on the motorhome. We're getting ready to start traveling full time again, and I've got a assortment of junk tools that I've gathered up over the years. It's not really a good set of anything, so I want to get me a complete set of sockets, a good impact wrench. And I was watching a channel the other night, Bus Grease Monkey. If you don't watch him, you need to go check out his channel. But he did a list of tools that he suggests you carry with you just in case you have an issue on the road. Most likely you will. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm taking his advice, and some of this I may already have, but I'm gonna go pick up these tools, and I think in the long run it may be a little more weight, but by the time I eliminate the junk I've got, probably equals out about the same. So anyhow, that's what we're gonna be doing today. Oh, and ignore this thing.
Richard, do I have a mark on my face? It really hurts.
Nope, nothing.
Right here. Not here or here so much, but right here.
Nope. Ship shape.
But anyhow, have a good one, and let's head to Harbor Freight. There's my purchases. A buggy full. I hope my wife don't watch this video. So this should save me having to call a mechanic out. If I have a breakdown, I should be able to fix most of it myself. Alright guys, it's been a couple of days since I went and made my purchases at Harbor Freight. It's just been raining here every day. It's been a monsoon. So this is what I bought. I'll go through this here in a second. But this is what I got now. And I've been wanting to upgrade my tool set because this is all I've got for tools. Which I've got a big toolbox at that place over in Mississippi, but it's just a hodgepodge of stuff. So I watched Bus Grease Monkey the other day, and he got me motivated to go ahead and do this. I've been wanting to upgrade my tools. I've been sort of looking around. So I took his advice too and bought some stuff, and we'll go through it here in a minute. And we're going to downsize. We're going to keep some of this, but most of this is going to go into a different toolbox just to keep around the house. And then this will be my travel. This will be my travel tool kit over here that we'll take with us on the road. So let me get the camera set up, and I'll walk you through what we got. So I've been back and forth trying to figure out what tool set I wanted, and I bought this one based on their recommendation. It is Harbor Freight, but it has a lifetime warranty. And it had pretty much everything I wanted in it. Let's set that over there for right now. So let's open it up. I've not opened any of this yet. It's pretty heavy. So let's see here. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Nice. That's nice little latches. And this is the, I guess I shouldn't have tore it up. This is the 301 piece Pittsburgh set, standard and metric. There's some of these in here that I probably won't use. Alright, so up here we've got some stuff that already fell out. Probably not the best pliers, but they're there where I can find them. So we've got some screwdrivers here. We've got some Allen wrenches. I guess standard and metric. I want to say the standard are red and the metric are the silver. Don't know, have to check. Little screwdriver that holds your, well, look at that, that didn't last long. Yeah, okay. Let's see if I can fix that. Get my glasses on. I'm not sure. That goes down like that. That went in there like that. Yeah, I may be returning that one and seeing if I can get a replacement. I think it goes right down in here like this. All right, well, we'll set it right there for right now. Well, maybe not. There it goes. Yeah, I'm not quite sure what happened there. And this foam piece, I was reading some of the reviews. They said don't throw that away. That helps keeps everything in order. I might get a thicker piece I might cut a piece. So here's all of our different little socket, our small sockets, our star wrenches, whatever you call these, and these. Some wrenches here. All this looks fairly sort of cheap, but these look pretty good. The sockets look good, but they have a lifetime warranty. Oh, look at there, even some more Allen wrenches. Got to get that 301 count up there somehow or another. So let's make sure that's snapped down to keep those in place. Is this hinged or it just sits out? It just sits out. Another piece of foam underneath it. And then here's our other sockets. I like that they're stamped in there, not etched or not lasered on. So you got a couple of ratchets, a little small breaker bars, some extensions, your sockets. Need to keep it this way. Let's see what's under the next tray. And then there's our bigger sockets. So, yeah. The biggest one is 5/16 down to a 1/2 inch, and then from 13 millimeters up to 24 millimeters. Up here we got from we go from a 10 millimeter all the way up to a 32, and down here we go from a 3/16 all the way up to 1.25 inches. Nice filling ratchet there. They are lifetime warranty. So we got that. So that's my socket set. I should be in good shape on sockets. Let's put everything back. Let's try to keep it this way. This goes in there. And you can even put a lock right there, but what does it take? A pair of cutters, about 2 seconds. Cut that and your lock's off. So there's the tool set. Next, something I've been wanting a long time is a good torque impact wrench. This one, 1,400 pounds. I've seen a ton of good reviews on this one on the Harbor Freight site. And I did get it on sale. I think it was $169, I think is what I paid for it. And then I had to buy a battery charger. That was, I can't remember exactly, $20-something, I think. Then I had a sale, get a battery, buy a battery, get a battery free. So there's my batteries. I'm anxious to try that next time I got something going on. One guy said on the reviews that on lug nuts, either the lug nuts coming off or the studs breaking. Then something else I picked up is this torque adapter, so you can read your torques. I probably should have got the 3/4 ones. I wasn't really paying attention. I got the 1/2 inch, but I think I can make that work. Plus that'll help me with my smaller tools. May end up having to get a larger one for bigger stuff. So come back over here. Let's see what we got over here. So I had these on sale for like $3. I picked up one of those. That's a magnetic tool holder to put your nuts and bolts in. I picked up some wire ties. You can never go wrong having a bunch of wire ties. A magnetic tool to pickup tool. That's always handy to have. Of course, when you need it, you'll never find it. And a breaker bar. Hopefully you can see. This is a nice little breaker bar. My son has one like this and I really like it. So I like that it folds down. So that's the breaker bar. And then I picked these up for my impact wrench, all different sizes. I'll never, some of these two probably never use, but I've got them if I'm on the side of the road and a mechanic shows up and he needs them. I've got them. Picked up a few extensions right here. Picked up these impact. You've got these are standard. These are the metric ones, and I picked up the standard ones. And then I picked up some better wrenches and larger sizes. So that's a 14-piece set. It goes from 1 1/4 all the way down to 3/8. So that'll come in handy. And I think that's about it. And I got this little box right here. I got this little box, and I'm hoping all of my impact stuff here, all these sockets will fit in it. So I don't think they'll stay on these long. So that's what I got there. I don't want to leave them on this because they'll roll around, come off, and I won't be able to, when I need them, I won't be able to just grab them. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. Owner's manual. It's not too heavy. Feels good though. Feels powerful. Let's see if there's any juice in this battery. Alright, sounds good. Let's charge them batteries. That'll be a lifesaver right there. Alright, let me go find something to put the tools in that I don't want to keep. Alright, not a toolbox, but this will get me by until I go get another toolbox. So, don't need that one. I've got one over there that fits it. Wrenches, let me compare. 7/8. I got a 7/8. I got a 13/16. We'll keep my metric wrenches in here. And maybe that little adjustable. I want to take these sockets out since I've got every combination. That's a metric wrench. $15. Let's see, got 11, 13, 15. 7/8's got those. 19, 14. So what I'm doing is I'm taking out stuff that I don't want to keep in here. that 1/2" ratchet wrench. All of this I've got in the other toolbox. That was my dad's wrench. I've had that for years and years. I'll keep that in this toolbox. That's a good little screwdriver to have. I'm going to keep it in this toolbox. Over here I just got some miscellaneous stuff. I'm going to keep this 10mm over here. These are going in there. That's going in there. That socket's going in here. This miscellaneous little stuff right here. I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to keep that stuff in there. I'm going to keep this 12. That I don't need. That I don't need. I will keep that in here. I will keep these markers, this lighter, some gasket maker, water seal, some rubber cement, some knives. And keep those in here. 13. Go to the next one. I want to keep a pair of those. I want to keep this. I got screwdrivers in the other box. I am going to keep this little ratchet in there. That's a handy little ratchet. I'm going to put all these other tools in here. I think I'm going to keep this one in here. I'm going to keep these in my toolbox here. That can go over there, that can go over there. Keep a pair of those. I got a pair in there, but let's just keep another pair. Keep that, keep the tape measure, keep that clamp. Screwdriver can go over there. Nut driver go in there. Screwdriver together. I'll keep this bigger screwdriver, that bigger screwdriver, that wrench, those vice grips, that scraper, that stays here, stay here, got a pair of channel locks and vice grips. I'm going to keep those. I'm going to put a pair of vice grips in there, a pair of lineman's pliers. Pair of scissors, clamp can stay in here, another pair of vice grips, a file, a pair of long needle nose, stay at the house, some needle nose, some more needle nose, stay at the house. Little small clamps, we'll leave those. Some plumbing tape. My old sockets. I'm probably going to leave all these little nut drivers in here. Probably not as organized as some people would organize it. I've got a box with electrical stuff, and that's where I'm going to put that. I like to keep some of these little magnets. So if you're working on something, stick your wrench there, or your screws if you don't want to use the big thing. But I like to keep a few of those. Never know what they come handy for. All right. I don't think that'll shut with that on there, will it? Nope. Alright, so there's my new toolbox in the house until I get a toolbox. That's a lot lighter. This is my toolbox here that I've made myself. It's got reflective stickers on it, so if you set it beside the road, those really shine out. It's got the Beaver logo on it. Alright guys, there it is. This is my on-the-road toolkit right here. My impact wrench, my battery, got another charging. These are my impact sockets, extensions, and accessories for the impact wrench. This is my 301 piece tool set, and this is my pliers, miscellaneous items that I want to keep, and metric wrenches, and my big wrenches are all in this toolbox. So that is it. So I'm going to be cleaning out this undercarriage, and I'll do a video on that when I do that, because we're getting ready to take a couple of good long trips, and that's one reason I wanted to go ahead and get this. It was expensive at today's prices. This was $600 something, I think, maybe a little more than that. That's a lot of tools, but it's the first time I've ever went out and just bought complete tool sets. I've been buying just little pieces here and there, but one service call, this right here would save you a service call, and it would pay for itself. Or a tow. You know, you get out, just need a exhaust manifold or something comes loose or something, you never know. And if you need to replace a starter on the road, instead of having to have it towed or have a mechanic come out, you can do it yourself. Still a couple more things I want to get. I want to get a couple of 20-ton air-up jacks, and I want to get me some more wood to go in there. But when I do that clean out video there, we'll reorganize that. I need to put my air compressor back in there. But that's it. Thanks to the Grease Monkeys video, got me motivated to go ahead and follow through with this. I've been thinking about it, so we're gonna end it here. If you got any questions, let me know. If you like the content, which I don't know why you would, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.